Hey friends, if you wish to remove the order from file properties in Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Excel in the Windows search bar and open Excel, and then open Excel, and then let's say I will write something here. I'll write test, and I'll click on the save button so it's saved. Okay, I will save it as anything. Okay, whatever it is. Click on file, select info, and you will find all the details here including the order. Now here's what you can do. You cannot like leave it orderless, so you will have to add an order first before changing an order. Let's say that I add an order named Karan. Okay, now once an order is added, then you can remove the primary order from this, and this the other order, the second order, becomes a primary order now. Okay, so that's how it works. And you cannot like remove an order unless you add another order. So this is how it is. You can add as many orders. You can also add an additional order. Okay, just hit enter, and an additional order has been added. So now this document has two orders. This workbook has two orders. Was this easy? Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.